I want to talk today about how emotions really trump card logic for us in our brains, if you will. So our brains are more tuned into emotions than they are logic. So here's the thing. We're teaching something in the classroom and it's super logical for kids to learn the concept that we're teaching, but are we losing sight of how important the emotions are? So for example, I want my kids to get really excited about what they're learning, but if they don't see me get excited about it, then they're less likely to get excited about it. So therefore, well, they're less likely to remember what I'm teaching. So when we think about how we want them to get excited about it, like don't be afraid to change that delivery so that it becomes an emotional delivery, because emotions are what really stay in our memory systems in our brain. So let's even look at how we assess situations. You assess reading through a reading assessment, perhaps. But isn't the real assessment the excitement, the tears, the anger, or the frustration, whatever emotion the characters bring out when you read a book? When I see a kid who's read something and they get emotional about what they've read, that is a true assessment of reading.